Hey, what if I told you that your phone, laptop, or even that tiny coffee break could be the start of your Amazon money-making journey? Whether you want to launch your own product or run someone else's business, you're in the right place. Welcome to Everyday Excellence, where we turn ordinary moments into extraordinary growth. This is the first episode in our Amazon series, where we explore, learn, and grow together. Now, Amazon isn't just a place to shop. It's a goldmine of business models, services, and opportunities, hiding in plain sight. You can sell your own product through private label, or buy cheap, sell high. That's called retail arbitrage. Want to avoid holding inventory? Try dropshipping or print on demand. Not into selling? No problem. You can offer services to other Amazon sellers, like running ads with Amazon PPC, writing product listings, or even working remotely as a virtual assistant. In short, whether you're an entrepreneur or a service provider, Amazon is like a giant puzzle. And together, we're gonna figure it out, piece by piece. This isn't just a series, it's a journey. Starting Amazon from scratch. Sharing everything we have discovered with you. Step by step, we'll explore how it works, what it takes to earn from it, and how you can find your place in this digital empire. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start building something amazing, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and join us on this Amazon adventure. Let's learn, let's grow, and let's turn everyday excellence into real results.